So the last thing that we're going to talk about is skylights and solar panels and solar water heaters. So skylights, the hole for the skylight is being removed, so that square footage is not accounted for in the overall square footage of the roof. And any time that a skylight is removed, or anytime a roofing material is replaced, then the skylight is going to be left as none leave existing. However, the skylight flashing kit is going to be added based on whether it's a large skylight or a small skylight. So we're adding the necessary flashing kit for that skylight. And if the skylight needs to be replaced, we are adding the necessary line items, whether it's a flat skylight or a domed skylight. We are asking the next necessary question for you to populate that estimate, all your different options for skylight, whether it be tempered glass or impact resistant, your quality, whether or not it's going to be obscured, tinted. All the different options for skylights are there, and it will be populated in the estimate with all of those options for that skylight. Solar panels and solar water heaters, they're in the same information card. So if I wanted to go to the solar panels is going to ask you if you want to detach and reset, or remove and replace, or replace those panels. If I was to replace the panels, it's going to ask me the system size, the kilowatts of the entire system. Solar panels are obviously very expensive, so it is very important that you identify the correct kilowatt size of the system. Once that kilowatt size is entered, it's going to calculate each solar panel based on the average kilowatt size. So I can choose to replace one panel. However, it's important to know what the kilowatt size is for the entire system, so it knows how many kilowatts that panel has. For the solar water heaters, it is just the simple question, what do you want to do with it? Remove and replace, replace. But because these are solar water heaters and solar panels are on the same information filter, this kilowatt size question will be there even with solar water heaters. That's not important to put in that information for the solar water heater. If a solar panel is not included in the data package, this question will not appear. This is only in the case that there is solar panels.